Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. Today we're going to show you ideas for neutral baby showers. So the favors that you give out, these are a couple of options that you can consider, keeping the budget low and also keeping the cuteness, of course, always soaring high. So starting with our first look here, you're just going to need tulle circles, clear plastic blocks, candy favors or mini gifts, and our 3 8-inch lavender ribbon. So these boxes are 2 inches, they're clear, and they do come in a set there. So everything's going to be in the description below, so you don't have to worry about trying to scavenger hunt to find all these things. So for this specific look, we're using 9-inch purple tulle circles. We're taking 2 of them and kind of stuffing them on the bottom. This is a great hack when you're doing favors of any kind to fill the bottom, just because you don't have to use as many favors to put it inside. If you're looking for a budget hack, that is definitely a budget hack you can use every single time. So here we're using our lavender ribbon, and these come in 3 8-inches and they're 25 yards. Yes, we do sell these as well. This is a really nice top off is here as well, because it makes it really cute to make sure that the box doesn't open up, and also kind of ties it together really nicely. For neutral gender, you're probably looking at greens, yellows, purples, and then sometimes browns. So this one has a purple feel to it, and we just put some, fun Skittles or little candies that you can put inside. Obviously, you can do your choice of little favors to put inside. So here we're moving on to our favor bags. These are 4 by 5 inches. We're using candy favors, or obviously little mini gifts, and a cute little pacifier that we top it off with. So here it's kind of like an apple green. You can also use probably gold if you have a little bit fancier baby shower. And we're filling these with 35 Hershey Kisses. It's funny, I want to mention a video that we did recently as well that shows all of our favor bags and all of our favor boxes and how much fills them. So you can always choose those and pick the color that you'd like as well. So we have beyond a variety of options for you to use. So we just topped it off with this yellow plastic pacifier that we have, and that comes in a bag as well. So moving on to our next one, ready to pop. That's right. It's all about the cute sayings and just bringing the detail and all the cuteness here. Obviously, you're going to need some popcorn, paper tag, organza satin edge ribbon in ivory and brown, and also a gold glitter disposable plastic cup. We sell all of these items. Of course, not the popcorn, but I think you can handle that part. So we're making our own little kind of funnel here. That way you're not touching the popcorn that they're going to be eating. So filling that up with popcorn, and then once you have that cup filled, we decided to use our 6-inch by 10-yard ivory glittered tulle ribbon. There's always something a little bit more festive when you add glitter to it. So we wanted this to have some glitter, and basically we're just cutting it and putting it in a cross. I know it's hard to see there. Here we're using our organza satin edge ribbons in chocolate brown and ivory, cinching it all together, and then of course making a cute little bow. This is the perfect example that decor and favor boxes and DIYs, it doesn't have to be expensive. It just has to show your friends that you care about them, you put the time in, and make it fun. And this is perfect. You can do that with cute personalized sayings, or you're ready to pop, and there you go. It's so adorable. And all it is really is just popcorn in a cup with a little bit of glitter action around it, and there you go. Your girlfriends will be absolutely just impressed by your creativity, and trust me, we've got your back for that one. So hopefully you guys enjoyed these 3 looks. If you did, make sure that you like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for all of your creative decor and event ideas. Until next time, stay creative.